Hey guys, so I was planning on using a WordPress logo as the background on my screen, but I realized I was too lazy for that, but I didn't do it. Anyways, what's up guys, how you doing, how's your day going, and if you're just starting, how was your night? I just realized that I'm using the intro of my other channel to introduce this one, and yes guys, you can check me out on my other channel where I do shit that most people in the world are interested to. I'll leave the link there in the description below. But yeah, let's kick into this video. So here we're going to cover everything WordPress related. I'm sure everyone in the world literally knows what WordPress is, but if you for some reason have no idea what WordPress is, I did you the favor of googling it so I can read it for you. WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with MySQL and MariaDB database. This MariaDB, I've never made use of it, and we're never going to make use of it in this video. Or who knows, maybe you guys would be able to change my mind as we go on. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system referred to within WordPress as themes. I just realized I didn't check my tabs that open, but yeah, there's literally nothing. I'm working on a site. There's nothing. My history is clear. Okay, so if you're interested in getting a brand new if you're interested in any WordPress, there are two ways you can run WordPress. You can run it online, you can run it offline. I personally have never run WordPress offline, and I do not know how it works, but yeah, maybe sometime in the future we'll go into that. But today we're going to run it online, and I know you guys like, okay, how am I going to run WordPress online if I don't have a domain, if I don't have a hosting service? That's basically what this video is about. I'm going to show you how you guys can get a free domain without literally having to do anything. Okay, so all you have to do is go to Pro Free Host, and when you do this, something like this should come up. Click on it. You know the original when you click on it. So sorry, it's really dark in my room, and I thought I just saw something move. I think it's about to rain outside, so very soon I'm going to have to start shouting literally. Anyways guys, as the video goes on, I'm going to list my pros and my cons. But yeah, this is really amazing. They have unlimited disk space, but the amount of websites you can, when you're hosting, you can host multiple websites to certain servers, I'll call it, based on the plan you're using. Well, this one allows you to host 15 different websites, which really cool. Even if you delete it, because I think you can cause that, but you see this, so that is a pro, that's the con. And yeah, shit, yeah, you guys can just read this. Anyways, I don't want to assume I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't want to assume that any of you are kids, so I'm showing you how to register inside. Just click the register button, fill in your details, and once you do that, it's going to direct you to the client server. Let me log into my account. Okay, if you guys want to send me an email, here's my account. DM me, I will read it. Yeah, this email address is literally the name of my other channel, so I'm just plugging as much as I can. Okay, the rain is getting really fucking loud. Okay, my password, do I remember my password? I'm not really good with password and everything. You guys want to see my password? Let me know in the comments if you want to see my password. I will show you guys. Honestly, I'll show you guys. Try me. Okay, so the client area. What is this? Something's happening, guys. Okay. Once you create your account, you have to verify it, obviously. Then it's going to take you somewhere here, and you can manage it. But let's create a new account. What should the name of the account be? Guys, help me out here. Stops. Let's first check, is there any account named Stops? Stops.com. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Okay, no, nobody owns it. It's available for sale. Who wants to purchase it? Stops.com. Alright, so enter attractive name for your website. Stops. So which of these should we use? Let's use Onox. Okay, and verify what is Hashika. Bridges. Okay. So just give it a hot minute and sooner or later we'll be ready to go. So it's created our account for us. Are you okay? Okay. We're just waiting for it to create, and this stupid ads need to stop fucking popping up. Guys, what should we do whilst it's creating? Let's go and see list of websites so we'll know which website we want to work on. List of all types of websites. I usually can't see, guys. Types of cancer website. Guys, you won't see a few of the websites I've done in my lifespan as a web designer. I've probably been designing websites 10 years. Like, I'm that fucking young. Okay, types of website, just 7. You can work with 7. Wow. Oosh, I just saw 38. This is interesting. I'm intrigued. Guys, let's keep scrolling until we find 100. 16. Yeah, bullshit. Do you know I had no idea of what BS actually meant until it's not like I didn't know it, I would know it and I would forget it. Oh, dude, it's fucking raining outside. It's starting to get real bad. Just give me a hot minute to resolve this. Are you okay? Okay. Let's go as again. Oh yeah, guys, if you don't know my name is Praise. I'm Praise. What is happening? Did we lose? We have opened 38, we have opened 7, so this 12. That's what's supposed to be happening now. Let's go back to our website. It's still fucking creating. Okay. Types of websites. E-commerce, business, portfolio, media, non-profit. This shit's just so fucking broad. Let's check the next one. E-commerce. E-commerce has flex. Small business, portfolio, non-profit, blog. And let's see this one. What is same as? Content management. E-commerce. Alright guys, I guess I found out what our first website is going to be. E-commerce. Anyways, the site is up and running, so let's install WordPress. So that is the second part of this video, how to install WordPress. First, you need to go to your control panel, aka cPanel, for those of you who have heard the name, but like, oh, I don't know what control panel is. I've never heard it before. Control panel is literally cPanel. Let me bookmark this page. Is this? I don't use this browser. I don't know how things work here. Guys, help me out. Shit. This is like favorites. Okay. You can read the whole sheet if you want to. I think my fonts are too big. Should I reduce it? Okay. We're logged in. So this is how your cPanel looks in. Let's go on a tour. This up is just account share. This is like your FTP share. These are all your databases share. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. Emails, domains, metrics, security, software is where we want to be. So software is this Softaculous app installer. So we'll just load it, and it's from there that allows us to install similar sheets like WordPress. While installing WordPress though, guys, you want to see my password? Okay, so this is the version of WordPress we're using, our URL. So we want to work on an e-commerce website, so I'm just going to name it Stuffs, and we're going to name it Get All Your Stuffs. Damn, oh gosh. This is how much I literally have nothing doing in my life, guys. Yeah, I haven't said that yet, but if you haven't subscribed, you should fucking do that. Like, bitch, what is you waiting for? Admin username. What's our admin username? Let's just use admin. Let's be basic here. I'm going to hide my password though. I don't yet trust you guys that much because you haven't told me. Like, have you left a like? Get this video to 1,000 likes and I'll drop my password. Can you guys hear the rain? I'm literally shouting over the rain, and I'm not going to say shout because I don't have the strength. Let's just install it. We'll go to themes and everything later on. So we're waiting for it to install. Should we save it? Let's save it. But let's load our website now. Let's go to what is the name of the website even? What is the name of our website, guys? Shit. Okay, this is it. Control C, go to Chrome, and Control V, enter. This is how it's going to look before you install WordPress or anything of any sort. Guys, I feel like trying something new with you guys. Aside WordPress, there are like other ones. Okay, as installed, there are other ones that have been basically like created for e-commerce. I feel like testing them out. I've never tried them. Should we do that? Let me know in the comments below if you want me to test another, like, I'm going to, the next video we're going to upload, we're going to set up an e-commerce website. So yeah guys, if you want me to try out one of the similar, I don't even know what I call this shit, but like WordPress alternative for um e-commerce, let me know in the comments below. It's nice to try something new once in life. Wow. So this is our um URL for our WordPress admin. No matter what domain you're using, if you want to access your WordPress admin, all you have to do is the website backslash wp dash admin. Fuck, the rain is getting hard, so I'm going to like try and rush this part of the video so we can just get done with it. And yeah guys, I'm going to try and give you guys a quick tour of the WordPress admin environment, and next video we're going to start working on our e-commerce website. So guys, yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, do that and share these videos with whoever you wish to see. But here it is. These are our dashboard. Here you have posts, you have media, you have pages, comments. Then under appearance you have themes. Customize is where you have like life management, like you see what you're doing as you're editing it. I should just load quickly so I can see this. Wait, this kind of videos, there's no forward editing I really need to do, right guys? Like I don't need to go back and personally edit anything, or there's no meme or anything I'm supposed to like be popping up. Okay, are you okay? Okay, what is this under appearance? Widgets, is it widget or widget? Menus are like something like this is a menu. Then we have plugins where you have all these amazing tools so that enhance its users, souls, settings, and yeah, bitches. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for wasting your time with me. I hope this was able to impact your life somehow, some way. But yeah guys, without further ado, the video is shit, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Anyways darlings, we're done with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you now have your hosting and your God knows what. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. That is the rain finally overpowering my voice. I'll play the end of the video. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. But anyways guys, thank you all for watching so much. Bye.